I grew up in Georgia. I come from a family of 12, and we grew up on a dairy farm. I had 9 brothers, and there was always lots to do. My heritage is something that I'm really thankful for. I'd rather spend time with my family than anybody. I was always self-conscious, what people think, and seeing me as such a big woman, and it hindered me from, getting out and being active with the children and being the kind of wife I should have been. I didn't have any self-confidence.
Blessed to have a wonderful family like I do. Beautiful wife, 3 sons and 5 daughters. I couldn't be more blessed. We've been married 26 years, and never for one day has she not been committed to all of us. She spoke to me about her weight very seldom because it was a scary thing to talk about.
I made up my mind, this is what I'm gonna do, and once I decided to do it, there was no looking back. I have the tools to do it, and I'm gonna do it.
We had made this commitment kind of to each other, and so if I gave up early, I was letting her down, and vice versa maybe. When we committed, it was a done deal.
Going to the rec center was a big thing for me. My workouts became so much more fun. I'd never done burpees before, and then you start seeing results, and it makes you work all the harder.
You knew Eva 3-4 months ago even, before she started this challenge. She didn't speak to anybody. She went into the spin room, she didn't have a smile on her face, she wouldn't talk to anybody, she was very timid and scared. And now she talks to everybody. She's constantly smiling, as bright as she can, and so does Pete. It's awesome.
Every morning I have my Slim Smart Shake with spinach, banana, and peanut butter. Then evenings when I come home, that I have the Slim Smart Shake again, but I mix the chocolate and vanilla for that. And that's good to the last drop. These products, along with changing your eating habits, has made all the difference in the world. What motivates me to be healthy is my family. I want to be around for a long time to enjoy my family. I feel like I have a huge influence in the health of my family because I'm in charge of all the cooking. I feel like a total different person. The confidence I feel, in facing people is as different as night and day. Ladies at church and people at the rec center, and it's like people can't believe how fast I've transformed. Well, I can't believe it myself, but.
We did 90 pounds in the 90-day challenge. 78 inches we peeled off, and it's made a big impression to a lot of people. I've lost 32 pounds.
This transformation wasn't just for 90 days for me. To be healthy and working out and all that is a way of life for me now.
She's much more youthful than she was, so we can have a lot more fun together. Sometimes we feel like we're on a second honeymoon.
My family was all behind me. They like to see me healthy and fit and enjoy life, because if I'm healthy, I'm happier. I said it all along, if I don't win anything in the challenge, I've still won because of what it's done for me, for the transformation that I've gotten.